Introducing Blinko, the tiny, powerful light that snaps on anywhere you need it. Magnetic and wearable, Blinko clips to clothes, gear, or your bike, no straps, no hassle. With multiple light modes and colors, Blinko keeps you visible and safe, day or night. Perfect for night walks, bike rides, or outdoor adventures, it's visibility you can count on. Rechargeable, long-lasting, and weatherproof, Blinko is built to go wherever you do. Blinko, small in size, big on safety. Meet the Affinity car thermal camera, your extra set of eyes, even in total darkness. See the unseen, it detects heat, not light, spotting people, animals, or hazards before your headlights do. Fog, rain, or pitch black. No problem. Affinity cuts through it all with military-grade thermal vision. Real-time alerts mean you get early warnings, helping prevent accidents before they happen. Easy to install, with full control through the Affinity app. Affinity thermal camera, because safety should never stop at night. Compared to standard night vision, Affinity's thermal imaging picks up heat, not light. That means better visibility when headlights alone aren't enough. Whether it's a cyclist in the dark or an animal crossing the road, Affinity alerts you before it's too late. Driving rural or curvy roads at night? With a range of over 300 meters, you'll spot potential threats long before they're in your path. Customize your view with the Affinity companion app, adjust color palettes, sensitivity, and get real-time alerts. Installation? It's plug and play, no pro mechanic needed. Just mount, plug in, and go. From everyday drivers to off-road explorers and commercial fleets, Affinity fits any vehicle that values safety. Meet iDrive, the next-gen holographic car assistant that puts the future right in front of you. Navigation, calls, music, and more, all floating in your line of sight without taking your eyes off the road. Just say the word, iDrive responds instantly with AI-powered voice control. Or use simple gestures to control it, no buttons, no distractions. Installs in seconds. Works with any CA crystal clear in daylight and night. iDrive adapts to your lighting conditions. No special wiring needed. Crystal clear in daylight and night. iDrive adapts to your lighting conditions. iDrive, futuristic, safe, and always one step ahead. Say goodbye to static and poor audio. Meet the Zeus HD car audio adapter. Your ride sound system just got an instant upgrade. Crystal clear HD sound that turns any drive into a concert on wheels. Seamless Bluetooth connectivity for music, podcasts, and hands-free calls. Built-in mic for clear voice calls, even with windows down. And yes, it fast charges your phone while it plays your favorite tracks. No tools. No hassle. Just plug it in, pair your phone, and hit the road. Zeus HD car audio adapter, smarter sound, smarter drive. Worried about bike theft? Meet the Boomerang V2, the smart GPS tracker that protects your ride 24/7. Real-time GPS tracking lets you monitor your bike from anywhere with pinpoint accuracy. Someone touches your bike? Boom, the 120 dB alarm goes off instantly. You'll get an instant alert on your phone, so you're always in control. Long-lasting battery. USB rechargeable. Rain or shine, it's built tough for the outdoors. Easy to install. Hard to steal. Perfect for commuters, e-bikes, or weekend warriors. Boomerang V2, your bike's invisible bodyguard.
Whose turn is it this time? I'll go and I won't cry. Just wait till the next time.
Flat tire? Emergency stop? Don't rely on old-school reflectors. Meet the Trilight electric warning triangle, your ultimate roadside safety alert. Super bright LEDs visible from over 1,000 feet away, day or night. Choose from flashing red, solid lights, or strobe for maximum visibility in any condition. Rechargeable battery means no more buying replacements, just plug in and go. Weatherproof and wind-resistant, it stays put when conditions get rough. Folds up small, fits right in your glove compartment or trunk. Trilight, because your safety should never go unnoticed. Want to boost your visibility without wires or hassle? Meet the brake-free helmet brake light, your braking buddy on every ride. No wiring. No apps. Just strap it on and ride, it automatically lights up when you slow down. Smart sensors detect deceleration, engine braking, or regular braking and respond instantly. Visible from over 500 feet away, even in the dark, so you're seen before it's too late. USB rechargeable with up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. Compatible with most helmets, installs in seconds with magnetic mounts. Brake-free, because your life is worth being seen.
Eyes in the moonlight, ideas in my tired mind, make me wanna take flight.
Meet Carena OBD, your car's new brain. It's not just a tracker. It's a 24/7 mechanic, bodyguard, and navigator in one tiny device. Instant diagnostics. No mechanic required. Track your car anytime, anywhere. Perfect for families, fleets, or peace of mind. Get theft alerts, driving behavior, and even crash notifications before it's too late. Plug in. Drive smarter. Carena OBD, your car, upgraded. Meet Voder, the AI-powered car assistant that keeps your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Just say it and Voder does it. Music, calls, messages, even directions. Voder's smart voice control understands you even over engine noise. Real-time navigation updates? No problem. No buttons. No distractions. Just your voice and Voder. Voder drives smart. Drive safe. Advanced noise cancellation keeps your voice in control even with chaos around you. Voder doesn't stop when your drive ends. Smarter driving starts now. Eyes on the road. Comfort for every condition. Need fuel, food, or a break? Just ask. With real-time traffic alerts, Voder always has your back. Precise. Responsive. Effortless. No screens. No cords. No distractions. Just you, your car, and Voder. Reimagine your drive. Experience Voder.